Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs, where I am attempting the impossible feat of showing you 365 days of sewing makes. And we are at day 7. We have made it a whole week. Only 51 weeks to go. Can I do it? I don't know. Stay tuned. Today, I want to show you this little top. And it is Burda 6328. Just a very simple little top. And I made this version. Kind of a boat neck, short sleeves. And the story of this top, I'll give you a twirl first. It's a very cute little top. It's very soft jersey navy with these beautiful pink flowers on it. So the story of this top, because remember every garment has a story, this top has a second life. It started its life as a dress that I purchased and wore to some dear friends' wedding, Laura and Matt, if you're watching. And I loved the material. I loved the color and the print on it. But what I didn't love about it is that it had like a very low back, like no back. And that's not really a style that, you know, I look good in. So I wore it with a sweater and wore it to the wedding. But I like the material, so I wanted to wear it again. So I actually took the dress apart. It had a lining, took the lining out, and used this pattern to make a new top, give it a new life. And put in some red purchased bias binding. I used the bottom edge of the dress so I didn't have to rehem it. Made sleeves, and it got a new life. And I wear this top often. Give you another twirl. So yeah, if you have some garment in your closet that you love the material, but you don't love the style of it, it is perfectly possible that you could remake it into something that you would love, and it would have a second life, and you know, would keep that garment out of the landfill or wherever, just by giving it a second life. So yes, I was happy to give this material a second life as just a casual top. So that is day 7, week 1. Thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, for liking, for cheering me on. I treasure each and every comment. Thank you so much. And I hope you're sewing, because sewing is so much fun. See you again. Bye for now.